Now, before we write a single line of Python, we need to go to the boss. In the Telegram world, there is a god bot that rules them all. It's called BotFather. If you want to create a bot, you have to ask him nicely. He's going to give us our birth certificate, the API token. But here's the catch. That token is the key to your digital employee. If anyone else gets it, they own your bot. They can read your messages, ban your users, and delete your data. So, alongside setting up our tools today, I am going to give you your first strict rule. We are going to paste this token into our script just to get our bot breathing, but you must never share that file or upload it to the internet. Later in the course, before we go live, I'll teach you the senior engineer's way to hide it. But today, let's just get the engine started. First, we need to demystify what a bot actually is. A lot of beginners think the bot lives inside the Telegram app. It doesn't. Your code, the brain of the bot, lives on your computer or your server. The body, the chat interface, lives on Telegram's servers. Here's the flow. A user sends a message, "I want a burger." Telegram server catches it. Telegram packages it up into a JSON object, basically a digital envelope, and says, "Hey, your bot has a new message." Now, how does your code get that message? There are two ways. One is called Webhooks, where Telegram pushes the message to you instantly. We will use that in level 5 when we deploy. But for now, to keep things simple, we're going to use long polling. Think of polling like a road trip with a kid in the backseat. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Your Python script is going to constantly ask Telegram, "Do I have messages? No? Okay, how about now?" It sounds inefficient, but it's remarkably fast and perfect for development. All right, theory over. Open up VS Code. If you haven't installed proper Python yet, pause the video, go to python.org, and get Python 3.10 or newer. Make sure you check the box that says Add Python to Path, or you're going to have a bad time. Now, create a new folder on your desktop. Let's call it Burger Bite Bot. Here's the first professional rule of the course. Never, ever install libraries globally. If you just type pip install Python Telegram bot right now, stop. Don't do it. If you install libraries globally, one day you'll work on Project A that needs version 20 and Project B that needs version 19, and your whole computer will explode. Instead, we use a virtual environment, or venv. It creates a tiny, isolated box just for this project. Then, now open VS Code, then drag and drop or open the folder we created for this project. Next, open your terminal to set up our virtual environment. And type this with me, Python-m venv. Since I went through that quickly, feel free to pause the video, try it yourself, and then continue when you're ready. You'll see a new folder pop up. Now, activating it depends on your OS. On Windows, venv scripts activate. On Mac or Linux, source venv/bin/activate. You know it worked if you see a little venv tag in parentheses at the start of your terminal line. Now we're safe. Go ahead and run pip install Python Telegram bot. Okay, tools are ready. Let's get our identity. Open Telegram, search for @BotFather. Look for the blue check mark, start the chat. Type new bot. It's going to ask for a name. This is what users see in the contact list. Let's call it Burger Bite Delivery. Next, it needs a username. This must be unique and end in bot. Try burgerbite_bot. If that's taken, which it probably is, add a few random numbers or your name at the end. Boom. BotFather just gave us a long string of characters. That is your API token. I want you to copy that token. Now, remember the rule, don't send it to your friend, don't post a screenshot of it on Reddit, keep it copied to your clipboard, and let's go write our first Python file. Let's see if it actually works. Go back to VS Code and create your entry point file, main.py. We're not building the full bot yet, that's for the next video, but we need to make sure your terminal can talk to Telegram. At the very top of the file, create a variable in all caps, token equals, paste your token here. Keep the quotes and paste that long string BotFather gave you right there. Now, let's print it out, just this once, to make sure our script is reading it. Print token loaded successfully, token, brackets, colon, 10, close brackets, ... See what I did there? I only printed the first 10 characters using specific Python slicing. Even though we're testing, never print the whole token to your terminal. If you take a screenshot of your logs to ask for help, you don't want to leak your key. Now, open your terminal. Ensure your virtual environment is active. Look for that venv tag in parentheses. Run python main.py. Did you see the message? Token loaded successfully? Yes, you are connected. Your Python environment is working, your token is valid, and we're ready to code. Before we jump into level 1, I want to address the most common mistake I see: overcomplicating the folder structure too early. Some seniors say you need microservices or blueprints right away. No, we're starting with one file, main.py. We'll split files later when we need to. Do not optimize prematurely. Simplicity is key. Also, if you got an error saying module not found, double-check that you actually activated your virtual environment before installing the library. Here's your challenge before watching the next video. Go back to BotFather on Telegram. I want you to use the set_user_pic command to give your bot a profile picture, maybe a burger or a cool robot, and use set_description to write a bio for it, something like the best automated burger shop in town. This description is the first thing users see before they click Start. Make it welcoming. So, recap, we set up a safe Python virtual environment, we obtained our identity from BotFather, we securely copied our token, we verified our Python file can run. In the next video, Level 1, we're going to write the code to bring this zombie to life. We're going to build the echo engine, handle the start command, and understand exactly how Telegram's async loop works. Go customize your bot's profile picture, and I'll see you in Level 1.